In today's video, we'll be diving into a critical topic that affects millions of people around the world: nerve damage. Whether it's from injuries, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, or even certain medications, nerve damage can lead to pain, tingling, numbness, and mobility issues that significantly affect your quality of life. But here's the good news. Certain vitamins can help repair damaged nerves, promote nerve regeneration, and ease the discomfort associated with nerve-related issues. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 incredible vitamins that have been scientifically proven to repair and protect nerve cells. These vitamins not only aid in nerve recovery, but also play a role in preventing further damage. From essential B vitamins that support nerve function to powerful antioxidants that shield your nerves from harmful free radicals, this video will cover all the nutrients you need to boost your nerve health. Whether you're dealing with neuropathy, nerve pain, or just want to support your nervous system for better overall health, understanding how these vitamins work can be a game changer. So, if you're ready to take control of your nerve health, stick around and let's explore these vital nutrients that could make a significant difference in your well-being. Number 1. Vitamin B12. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining the health of your nerve cells and creating DNA. Vitamin B12 is particularly important for the protective covering around your nerves, called the myelin sheath. Without enough B12, this sheath can become damaged, leading to problems like neuropathy, tingling, numbness, and even nerve pain. Vitamin B12 is also vital for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your nerves. A deficiency in B12 can starve your nerves of the oxygen they need to function properly. Over time, this can lead to irreversible damage, which is why it's so important to ensure you're getting enough of this vitamin, especially if you're at risk for deficiency. Those most at risk include older adults, vegans, and individuals with certain digestive disorders like Crohn's disease or celiac disease. You can find vitamin B12 in foods like meat, fish, dairy, and eggs, but if you're not getting enough from your diet, supplements can be a good option. In some cases, people with severe deficiencies might even need B12 injections to help restore their levels. By supporting the repair and regeneration of nerve cells, vitamin B12 can help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage and prevent further deterioration. It's a powerhouse nutrient that you definitely want to include in your nerve health routine. Number 2. Vitamin D. A nutrient that not only supports bone health, but also plays a crucial role in the proper functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels, which are essential for nerve signaling. Proper nerve signaling ensures that messages are transmitted efficiently between your brain and the rest of your body. When you're deficient in vitamin D, these signals can become disrupted, which may contribute to nerve pain, tingling, nut, and even muscle weakness. Recent studies have shown that vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is crucial because inflammation is often a contributing factor to nerve damage. Chronic inflammation can damage nerves over time, leading to conditions like peripheral neuropathy. By reducing inflammation, vitamin D can help protect nerves from further damage and promote their healing. In addition, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to various neurodegenerative diseases, such as multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease, which involve the gradual deterioration of nerve cells. Ensuring that your vitamin D levels are optimal may help protect against these conditions and improve overall nerve health. You can get vitamin D from sunlight exposure, but it's also found in foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and eggs. However, many people, especially those living in colder climates or who spend little time outdoors, might struggle to get enough vitamin D from natural sources alone. That's where supplements can come in handy to fill the gap and support your nerve health effectively. Incorporating vitamin D into your routine can provide essential support for repairing and maintaining healthy nerves. Number 3. Vitamin E. Another powerhouse vitamin when it comes to nerve repair and protection. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps combat oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind nerve damage. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals damage your cells, including nerve cells. Over time, this damage can accumulate and impair nerve function, leading to symptoms like pain, numbness, and tingling. What makes vitamin E so important for nerve health is its ability to neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from causing further harm to the delicate nerve tissues. Studies have shown that a deficiency in vitamin E can lead to conditions like peripheral neuropathy, where the nerves in your extremities, hands and feet, become damaged, leading to discomfort and a lack of sensation. But vitamin E doesn't just protect your nerves, it also helps them heal. By reducing inflammation and supporting healthy blood circulation, vitamin E aids in delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves, speeding up the recovery process. This is especially important for those dealing with nerve issues caused by diabetes, as vitamin E can help mitigate nerve damage related to high blood sugar levels. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli, but you can also take it as a supplement if you need an extra boost. Adding vitamin E to your diet or supplement routine is a great way to ensure your nerves are getting the antioxidant protection they need to repair and function optimally. Number 4. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Thiamine is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system, playing a pivotal role in nerve signal transmission and cellular energy production. Without enough thiamine, your nerves can't produce the energy they need to function effectively, leading to symptoms like fatigue, muscle weakness, and even nerve pain. Thiamine is particularly crucial for the myelin sheath, the protective layer surrounding your nerves. This sheath acts like insulation around a wire, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently. A deficiency in thiamine can weaken this protective layer, resulting in nerve damage and a condition known as beriberi, which affects the nervous system and causes symptoms like numbness, tingling, and muscle cramps. People with conditions such as diabetes, alcoholism, or digestive issues are at a higher risk of thiamine deficiency, which makes it especially important for these groups to ensure they're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Diabetic neuropathy, a common complication of diabetes that causes nerve damage, has been linked to low thiamine levels. You can find thiamine in foods like whole grains, pork, and legumes, but it's also available as a supplement, often included in B-complex vitamins. By supporting nerve cell metabolism, thiamine not only helps prevent nerve damage, but also aids in the regeneration of damaged nerves, making it a key vitamin for anyone looking to repair and maintain healthy nerve function. Incorporating vitamin B1 into your diet can go a long way in supporting your nervous system and helping your nerves heal from damage. Number 5. Vitamin B6, another essential vitamin for nerve health and repair. Vitamin B6 plays a critical role in maintaining the health of your nervous system by supporting the production of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Without enough B6, these signals can become disrupted, leading to issues like nerve pain, numbness, and difficulty with muscle coordination. One of the key benefits of vitamin B6 is its ability to help reduce inflammation, which is often a significant factor in nerve damage. Chronic inflammation can put excessive stress on your nerves, eventually causing them to break down. By reducing this inflammation, vitamin B6 helps protect your nerves from further damage and promotes healing. Vitamin B6 is also essential for the production of red blood cells, which deliver oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. Proper blood flow is crucial for nerve regeneration, as it helps repair damaged tissues and supports the growth of new nerve cells. This makes vitamin B6 particularly useful for people dealing with nerve damage caused by conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome, sciatica, or diabetic neuropathy. However, balance is key. Too little B6 can lead to nerve damage, but excessive amounts of B6, especially from supplements, can also cause nerve toxicity. That's why it's important to consult a healthcare provider if you're considering taking high doses of B6 supplements. You can find vitamin B6 in foods such as chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas. By ensuring you're getting the right amount of this crucial vitamin, you can help repair damaged nerves and improve overall nerve function for long-term health. Number 6. Vitamin B9, folate. Folate is essential for a wide range of bodily functions, including DNA synthesis, cell division, and the production of red blood cells. When it comes to nerve health, folate plays a significant role in repairing damaged nerves and supporting the overall health of the nervous system. One of the ways folate helps in nerve repair is by improving circulation. Healthy blood flow is crucial for delivering oxygen and essential nutrients to damaged nerves, helping them regenerate and function properly. Folate, along with other B vitamins, supports the production of red blood cells, which in turn ensures that your nerves get the oxygen they need to recover. Inadequate folate levels can lead to poor circulation, contributing to nerve pain, numbness, and muscle weakness. Folate is also involved in reducing homocysteine levels in the blood, a compound that, when elevated, can damage blood vessels and contribute to nerve damage. By lowering homocysteine levels, folate helps protect your nerves from the harmful effects of this compound, making it particularly important for people with conditions like diabetes, where nerve damage is a common issue. You can find folate in foods like leafy greens, spinach, kale, legumes, citrus fruits, and fortified cereals. It's also available in supplement form, often included in B-complex vitamins, or as folic acid, the synthetic form of folate. For those looking to repair and protect their nerves, folate is a critical nutrient that promotes both nerve regeneration and overall nerve health. Incorporating folate into your diet can help strengthen your nervous system and aid in the recovery process for damaged nerves. Number 7. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in nerve repair and overall nerve health. Vitamin C is well known for boosting the immune system, but its benefits extend far beyond that. When it comes to nerve damage, vitamin C helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including nerve cells, and contribute to chronic pain and neuropathy. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties neutralize these free radicals, reducing the damage they can cause to the nerves. This makes vitamin C especially important for people suffering from conditions like diabetic neuropathy, where oxidative stress is a major contributing factor to nerve damage. Additionally, vitamin C supports collagen production, which is essential for the repair and maintenance of tissues, including the protective coverings around your nerves, such as the myelin sheath. By promoting healthy collagen levels, vitamin C helps your body rebuild and strengthen damaged nerve tissues, speeding up recovery from injuries or long-term nerve damage. Vitamin C also plays a role in reducing inflammation, which can further protect nerves from ongoing damage and improve blood circulation to affected areas. Better circulation means that more oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered to damaged nerves, promoting healing and regeneration. You can find vitamin C in a wide variety of foods, including citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Supplementing with vitamin C can also be beneficial, particularly if you're dealing with nerve damage or need extra antioxidant support for recovery. Incorporating vitamin C into your diet or supplement routine can help protect your nerves from damage and support their repair, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Number 8. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that offer significant benefits for nerve repair and overall nerve health. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are particularly helpful when it comes to healing nerve damage. Inflammation is a major contributor to nerve pain and dysfunction, and by reducing it, omega-3s help protect nerves from further damage while promoting their recovery. One of the key benefits of omega-3 fatty acids is their ability to support the regeneration of damaged nerves. Research has shown that omega-3s can promote the growth of nerve cells and help rebuild the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves that ensures efficient transmission of signals. When the myelin sheath is damaged, nerve signals slow down or get interrupted, causing symptoms like pain, tingling, and muscle weakness. By helping to repair this sheath, omega-3s aid in restoring normal nerve function. Omega-3 fatty acids also improve blood flow, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves. Proper circulation ensures that your nerves get what they need to heal and function properly. This makes omega-3s particularly helpful for those dealing with conditions like peripheral neuropathy or nerve damage caused by injuries. You can get omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as from plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3 supplements, such as fish oil, are also a popular option for those who want to boost their intake. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet is an excellent way to support nerve repair and protect against further damage, making it a vital addition to your nerve health regimen. Number 9. Magnesium. A mineral that plays a crucial role in nerve function and muscle relaxation. Magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, as it helps regulate the transmission of nerve signals throughout the body. One of its most important roles is to control the balance of calcium and potassium in cells, which is critical for proper nerve function and communication. Magnesium is particularly effective in relieving nerve pain and reducing muscle tension, both of which are common symptoms of nerve damage. This is because magnesium helps to calm overactive nerves that can cause pain and discomfort. It also helps relax muscles that may be affected by nerve issues, reducing symptoms like cramps, spasms, and stiffness that often accompany nerve damage. Additionally, magnesium plays a role in reducing inflammation, a major contributor to nerve damage. By lowering inflammation, magnesium helps protect nerves from further deterioration and supports their healing. This makes it an essential nutrient for people suffering from conditions like neuropathy or nerve pain caused by injuries or chronic illnesses. Another benefit of magnesium is its ability to improve blood circulation. Proper circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves, helping them regenerate and recover. Without enough magnesium, nerves can struggle to heal, leading to prolonged pain and discomfort. You can find magnesium in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. It's also available in supplement form for those who need an extra boost. Incorporating magnesium into your routine can help soothe nerve pain, improve nerve function, and support the repair of damaged nerves, making it a valuable addition to your nerve health strategy. Number 10. Acetyl L-carnitine. A powerful amino acid that plays a crucial role in nerve repair and regeneration. Acetyl L-carnitine is particularly effective in supporting the health of peripheral nerves, those outside the brain and spinal cord, which are often affected by conditions like peripheral neuropathy, diabetes, or injuries. One of the standout benefits of acetyl L-carnitine is its ability to boost energy production within cells, including nerve cells. Nerves need plenty of energy to function properly and repair themselves when damaged. Acetyl L-carnitine helps transport fatty acids into the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, where they are converted into energy. This process is especially beneficial for nerves that are healing, as it gives them the energy required to regenerate and recover more efficiently. Acetyl L-carnitine also has strong antioxidant properties, which means it can help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This is important because oxidative stress can worsen nerve damage and slow down the healing process. By reducing free radicals and inflammation, acetyl L-carnitine helps preserve nerve function and prevent further deterioration. In addition to its regenerative abilities, acetyl L-carnitine has been shown to improve nerve function, reduce pain, and enhance overall nerve health. It's often used in the treatment of nerve-related conditions like diabetic neuropathy, where nerve pain and degeneration are common. You can take acetyl L-carnitine in supplement form, and it's generally well tolerated with minimal side effects. Adding this amino acid to your nerve health routine can significantly boost your nerve's ability to repair, helping you recover from nerve damage faster and more effectively. And there you have it, 10 incredible vitamins and nutrients that can help repair nerve damage and support overall nerve health. Remember, taking care of your nervous system is key to living a healthier, pain-free life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that can transform your well-being.